Have you ever wondered what happens to your body if you stay awake all night? Sleep is not just a time of rest. It is a vital biological process during which the brain and body repair themselves, organize memories, and restore energy. In this video, we will explore, step by step, what happens to your body and mind when sleep is missing, in a calm and scientific way. After 24 hours without sleep, the brain begins to feel exhausted. Concentration decreases, reaction time becomes slower, and simple memory lapses start to appear. At the same time, the body releases more stress hormones, which may make you feel irritable or emotionally sensitive. The brain is still functioning, but not at its optimal level. After 48 hours without sleep. After 2 full days without sleep, the effects become more noticeable. Mood swings increase, emotional control becomes weaker, and stress levels rise. The immune system also begins to weaken temporarily, making the body more vulnerable to minor illnesses. The brain struggles to process information efficiently, making thinking and decision-making more difficult. After 72 hours or more. After 3 days or more without sleep, the body experiences significant strain. Mental clarity declines, confusion increases, and concentration becomes very difficult. Emotional regulation is strongly affected, and in some cases, the brain may start producing brief sensory distortions, because sleep is essential for clearing metabolic waste from brain cells. Memory formation and recall are also seriously disrupted. Why sleep is essential? Sleep is not a luxury, it is a biological necessity. It helps the brain organize information and memories, restores physical energy, strengthens the immune system, and stabilizes mood and emotions. Without enough sleep, these vital systems gradually lose efficiency. Simple tips for better sleep. To improve sleep quality, try to maintain a consistent sleep schedule. Avoid screens at least 1 hour before bedtime. Create a quiet, dark sleeping environment. Exercise regularly, but not right before sleeping. Conclusion. Sleep is not a sign of weakness, it is the fuel of the mind and body. The sleep you sacrifice today may turn into fatigue tomorrow. So give your body and brain the rest they deserve. To stay focused, healthy, and balanced in your daily life.